Alright, well, today pulled the pan on the O2 Explorer thinking we were going to change the solenoid pack, but once I dropped the pan, once you know it, there's one of the band anchors laying in the bottom of it. Did a little more digging around under here. And the back one, you can't see, it's too daggone dark. Or not the back. The front one up here is still in place. The middle one is supposed to be on the end of that rod going into the band. The band itself is broken. If you can see, that's the piece of the band the anchor sits on. Right there's where it's supposed to sit. And it's not connected to anything up in there. It's just flopping around. So now, instead of changing the solenoid pack, I gotta pull the transmission. So that ought to be interesting. Open those exhaust bolts up there, the only thing I'm worried about, but I don't know. I'm about to lube them up, see how it goes. Yep, fun. It's always an adventure every day.